Hey, good evening, everybody. It's Rebel Gracer back with another video. I'm gonna be real short. I'm real sweet on this. My new lock stuff came in today, so I'm gonna show you. The first thing I'm gonna show you is you've all seen this before in another video. I lost my other one. I don't know where the hell it went, but I got one of those folding pocket combs again. Got the locks thing on it. Um, Works really well. And when you're done, close it up. Goes back in your pocket. Um. And the shirt, I'll stand it up in just a second here, but can't give you an idea. It says nothing but ashes. I'll stand up here. Let me turn the computer over here a little bit. Stand. I got all set up here. Yeah, fix the screen. Nothing but ashes. Got a really cool looking thing here. Also, my new belt buckle I picked up yesterday. Colt revolvers. Colt belt. Yeah, I just wanted to really show those two things. I really got nothing else to show right now. I got stuff I gotta take care of here. So, like I said, get this stuff from Locks if you want to. Call me for the code and everything, and we'll go from there. Um, so folding pocket comb, nothing but ashes. This is the this is the summer raid shirt. So if I want to get shorts before summer comes ends. This is summer raid. There's a summer raid pomade. I might get that in the next order, and I will feature that again. All right. In the words of Locke, stay sharp, stay savage. And in the words of Rebel Gracer, stay greasy cats, stay sexy chase, be cool and keep it rockabilly. Over and out.